Hello everyone, my name is Shubham Garg and you are in Garg Gurukul channel. Now there was a lot of questions which I am getting that how to prepare for EKT. Okay, so if you have any, first of all, if you have any doubts regarding EKT, that will I get SSB call if I clear AFCAT, or if I don't clear EKT, will I get SSB call? So there is a video, dedicated video. Please watch that full video. It's there. Click on the I button and you will get that video. Please watch the full video. Don't watch the half video and then come to me for questions. Okay? Please watch the full video. Still, if you have any questions, then this is my WhatsApp number. Apart from that, AFCAT PDF notes are available for AFCAT preparation. In 15 days, I have also made one more video about the strategy on how to prepare AFCAT for like in 15 days. I button पे click करके you will be getting it. ठीक है? Now, EKT is engineering knowledge test. ठीक है? First and foremost thing, if you are confident about AFCAT, you will clear the AFCAT and you have done a good preparation, okay, then start preparing for EKT. Okay? If you are not confident, if you are not done good preparation for AFCAT, leave EKT, skip, don't prepare this. I'll tell you why. If you are not able to clear AFCAT exam, then you will not get SSB call, so it's a waste, even if you clear EKT or you do not clear EKT. Okay, so mandatory is AFCAT exam. AFCAT exam is mandatory, you have to clear it, okay, to get the SSB call. If you do not clear AFCAT exam and clear the EKT, you will not be getting the SSB call. If you clear the AFCAT exam and you do not clear the EKT, then you will be getting the SSB call for flying and ground duty if you have applied for those branches. Okay. This was the first warning or suggestion to you from my side. Now, second thing is how to prepare for EKT. So for EKT, we have three branches. One is computer science. Second is electrical and electronics. Third is mechanical. How you will come to know that which EKT you will be having? Okay, in your AFCAT exam there will be AFCAT admit card. Okay, in AFCAT admit card there will be a section as EKT, and here it will be there, okay, below just your Aadhaar number and like that. Okay, EKT will be there and here a subject would be written, and this subject is based on your engineering. Okay, what you have chosen. Okay, what subject you have chosen in engineering. Okay, based on that what you have chosen for your EKT. Okay, so this doubt is clear. Now how to prepare for this EKT. Now first of all, EKT में 150 marks का होता है. ठीक है, 50 questions, 3 marks each, -1. Okay, so here also we have negative marking. Generally cutoff is 50 marks to 60 marks. That means out of 50 questions, how much you have to solve? So one question is 3 marks, 150 marks total paper, and that 150. So 50 at around 25 questions if you solve minimum, correct? So you are on the safe side. So out of 50 questions, 50% questions you have to solve. Okay, to clear the cutoff, to be on the safe side. Okay, now the most important part is how to prepare. Now I'm telling you again, this might eat up your time if you are not well prepared for AFCAT. So focus on AFCAT first. If you are good with AFCAT, if you think you can clear the AFCAT, then go for EKT. Now how to prepare? Now on the AFCAT side, AFCAT CDAC side, you have syllabus, okay, and sample paper, okay, for all these three branches with answer key. Okay, what you do is, first of all, go through this sample paper. Step 1, go through sample paper and answer key. Just go through it. उससे क्या होगा, what will happen is since it was your engineering subject you will be able to recall some things, ठीक है, from your engineering, ठीक है. Take only 1 day for this or 2 days, ठीक है. In 1 or 2 days just go through the sample papers. You will find 2 sample papers over there, and those are not sample papers actually, those are question papers of 2015. Those are real question papers, okay. So you might find 2 to 4 question papers over there. Go through that question papers in 1 to 2 days, and the answer key is also there, so you can find the answers also if you're not able to solve. Second thing is, and don't get scared on seeing the question paper. If you're not able to see, just see the answer key. Also remember that you just have to solve the 50% of the question. Second thing is, download the syllabus. After downloading the syllabus of your subject, of your branch, go through your EKT branch syllabus, okay. Then what you have to do, I'll tell you. After downloading the syllabus, do this thing. In the syllabus, how they have given is, they have given topics, okay, and then they have given some subtopics, okay, in that topic, okay. For example, in computer science, if I tell you, for example, they have given operating system, okay. So in that they have given process, thread, etc, etc, ठीक है. Similarly it is there for electrical and electronics and mechanical. क्या करो, what you have to do is, first of all, your branch topic में से, from your branch topics, ठीक है, from syllabus of your branch only, remember उसी that only you are referring, ठीक है, उसमें से start taking 1 by 1, ठीक है, 1 topic, 2nd topic, 3rd topic, ठीक है. Start taking this like this topic, ठीक है, and then in that go for subtopic. What you have to do is just find the definition, okay, or read 1 to 2 lines that what is it, what is a process, what is a thread, ठीक है. Similarly for mechanical, I don't remember mechanical syllabus right now, but if there is a topic and there is a subtopic, so just read about that topic, 1 to 2 lines, just the introduction part of it, and then the subtopics. Now the subtopic there might be a types part. For example, I'm giving computer science example only for process, ठीक है. So types of processes, ठीक है. So in mechanical, in electrical, also electronics also, there might be like diodes, ठीक है. So types of diodes, ठीक है. उतना, that only you have to read, ठीक है. Read that only, that is it. Do it for the full syllabus. For full syllabus, do this, because I am telling you, you cannot revise full 4 years of engineering in 15 days, ठीक है. It will take a lot of time, so you just have to make sure that you are able to solve 25 questions. We will aim to solve 50% of the questions so that our marks is on the safe side, ठीक है. So we clear the EKT and we are eligible for technical branch, ठीक है. So for full syllabus, what you have to do is just pick a topic, okay, pick a topic, read about introduction, only 1 to 2 lines, then the subtopic which is mentioned in the PDF, okay. Now from where, on the site from which you are reading the topic, there might be 5 subtopics in that topic, ठीक है. Subtopics मतलब part of that topic, ठीक है. But in the PDF only 2 subtopics are mentioned, so just read these 2 topics, don't read extra things, okay. Just stick to the syllabus, ठीक है. In 15 days, this is the best strategy to go for the EKT, ठीक है. So this was regarding the EKT. If you are able to, if you want FCAT PDF notes, handwritten notes, WhatsApp me on this number. If you are preparing for any other exam, CTS, or if you are preparing for SSB also, please subscribe to this channel and also save my number so that I give lot of current affair news and all the news and updates on my WhatsApp status, ठीक है. So if you save my number, you'll be able to see the statuses. If you like the video, please click on the like button, and if you are preparing for all other exams, please click on the subscribe button. And if you have still any doubt, you can WhatsApp me. Apart from that, please mention it in the comment section. This is Shubham Garg. Thank you so much.